Okay, y'all, I just put my slime in the freezer for an hour and I just opened it. Why is it in that shape? It's actually freezing kind of there and then quite mushy here. And it's overactivated. Look. Okay, I'm gonna get some glue to put in 1 sec. Okay, got it. I need things down. My phone is too heavy for this stuff. So I'm gonna... Okay, I fixed that kinda. Let's put the glue in a little hole. Oh wait, I forgot. That thingamajiggy is broken, so we had to do that. And that's enough. I actually put quite a lot in there. This is actually so hard. Oh my god, why is it actually not mixing? Okay, I'm gonna leave it for a bit and then mix it, so 1 sec. Okay y'all, I just put it in the microwave because I didn't want to wait. And it's mostly like glue now. So I'm gonna put it back in the fridge. 1 sec. Okay, it's in the fridge. I'll make a part 2 after this. Now I'm gonna put some Vaseline on my foot. You'll see why. So, Vaseline actually helps heal scabs and stuff, you know? Oh, I'm gonna leave that on. And then, yeah. I'll make a